From this equation, find out the value of x. How? First we can write log. This we can write 2 base take, and this is the x we can write, and there is the similarly log this 2 base, and this is the 8 we can write this, and there is the log 2 base, and this x we can write here, and this is the similarly like this, like this, and there's this log 2 base x take the common, so there 1, and this is the log 2, and this 8 is we can write to the power cube, and this is 1, and this side this is the log 2, and 16 we can write to the power 4, this is x0, and this log to x, and this is the 3 is here 3, and this is the log 2, and this is the plus, and this is the, and 4 is here, so 4 log 2 and 2. This is we can write, this is the log to the power x, and this is the 1 by 3, and log 2 and base is 2, and this log 2, so this is the 1, and this is the 1 by 4, this is log 2 and log 2, this is the 1 into 4 is this 4, so this is the 0. So we can write the log to x, and this is the LCM is, this is the 12, so 4 plus 3 is 0, so this value is log to base x, and this is the 7 into 12, this is 0, so 7 into 12, this is this side, this, and so log 2x, this is the value is 0, so we can write the this x is equal to 2 to the power 0, and 2 to the power 0 we can write the 1, so x value is 1, we can write this.